Shwa bangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpa di pigi nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, baphen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla. Haga arpu pratarik Naiwieng hajar arpu kaladon ke jingiakynduh lang hapdeng Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya Conrad Sangma bat ki Kynhun Seng Sain Pyrthei bapher ke jylla ban iakren Halor ke jingjia kaba shen haga basan ngut ki briew kila la ke mynsiem bakordor haga jingshah siat yap haki pulit ke jylla Assam la pynlong ru ya ke jingsngap jar kaba minit kumnka ke jingsngnew ya ki balaklan no haga jingjia ba Sngewsih Mukhroh. Hadian ke jingialang habe iakren bikilat pathai kubor Conrad Sangma oleh thu bakaladon ke jingiakren Halor ki senjam ke bakasarkar jylla kalashim ban persang bantek lakam ya ki jingjia ki belajar haki jaka kaput ke jylla Meghalaya bat Assam. Haka juk kapor oleh thu ru baka Kynhun Seng Sain Pyrthei kila ru ialah ki jong ki jingsngnew Halor ke jingjah Mukhroh bat kila kentu ya ke sarkar bakan shim khia ban wat ikilat kilenti banwan rap yang ya ke jingshah hakite ki jaka. Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Meghalaya ula ongru baka sarkar kan lekat bakala ban pensitom ya barok ki badan kti haki jingjia bapher ki belajar shen hakeleng saudong ke sor Shillong.
Nakaleng ke sarkar kadang dawa bakan wan ke CBI inquiry. Mereka ke mengi ong mentag ngimpat tip la ke CBI kan wan kan pediang ya kata ke jingdawa ke sarkar ne kan pediang. Kan ila kan pediang hadin stio kala man pediang hadin sipanai. Ndai ke bangi ong kalongpa to penon kamsha ini kabor ke bapidon penon kamsha ini gilak inti ke bapidon lebih ada kata ke CBI inquiry kawan hadir katangin saya pe kandak kalawan mereka belum mata nak liang jong ke sokar jelaru kamsim loong ini
kila ongru balada ki pulit ke jylla ki tieng man le chakap ban ya khun bat kham tam ban ya dai ki bara kasi ki basyong basa ha ke thang
jan sita yo mata
bazia ban ai no ha ki seng balang ya ki tiar bat kabor bakin let ban ya khun
upen no jong ke jaka
jaka kapun
pau bakan ni tolong kapan penjam rengiu ke setiap dapat i baka sokar jylla kala penduk lo jong ke ikhtiar baka penjam pala mat ke sokar Assam sakawe mentang ngidon ke sokar BJP hapo Delhi ngidon ke sokar BJP hapo Assam mentang ngidon ke sokar BJP ro hapo Meghalaya kumno hin ong bakan ni ke inquiry kalong kaba ni ai sisa ya kata ka hok iki pai ba himut bau CBI napo Delhi unum sngap mo ya ki bor ki bedan hadil hiban ha Assam tangang taruh ngila dunong lupa tangang taruh ke kanurib jumi kelajam lupa jadi kadang yang mengin chenia ya kini ke CBI inquiry bahkan wan bahkan ai sisa ya kata kahok apa ni dawa mengi kata ngatrai i jengai bah dan kadang ban peni bak soka jylla kadon kebor aladi bak ban pensingai ki pai ba juga jylla don kam hi bahkan isu dak restoran nang di napo Meghalaya wan ra itu ki pulit nantai ai bak kias kan ya be Meghalaya nomor ya kini company briew apen lajia bet how pu usam but hak do siap juga jylla ke be juga.
Very good afternoon to everyone. We have just concluded the meeting of all political parties and also of political leaders including members of Legislative Assembly, especially in the border zones which are near the areas of differences. So all those MLAs from those areas were also invited to this meeting. I first of all would like to thank all the MLAs and all the party leaders who have joined us in this meeting. Number two, the agenda of the meeting was to brief all the respected party leaders and political parties and MLAs on the past week and the entire sequence of events and the different steps that have been taken by the government and what is the future course of action. So all those aspects were shared and discussed with the honorable leaders and political parties and MLAs. And second, we have also discussed about the entire border areas and areas of differences where we would want that steps be taken so that there's no tension in those areas and for future safety of all the citizens we could take steps to ensure that these areas some positive steps can be taken from the government side. And we sought suggestions from everyone and we've noted on all the suggestions. Very good suggestions have come from everybody and all of them have expressed their concern over the situation We have unitedly condemned this entire incident. We also, as a mark of respect to departed souls, we maintained 2 minutes of silence from our side. And apart from this, the steps that are important is that tomorrow in the cabinet, we will be finalizing the list for different areas where BOPs will be set up. And hence, we shared with the different leaders from political parties that we have decided that we will be putting up BOPs in these sensitive areas and many others, and ensuring that full manpower, full infrastructure, and full whatever is necessary should be done to ensure that these BOPs are functioning well. So we will take all steps necessary in order to ensure that safety and security of the citizens in the border area is maintained. Second, of course, we'd like to also share with you that the internet ban has been lifted, so we did not continue it, so the internet access has been opened. And also we are now allowing the movement of vehicles also with the patrolling of police taking place continuously at all levels. And I would also like to appeal through the press and appeal through the political leaders that we should all work together to ensure that normalcy returns and there is no further violence in the state and especially in the capital. And we also shared with everybody that in the last few days, though there was some candle vigils that were held and some peaceful demonstrations were held, but there were some incidents of violence. And I informed all the political leaders that those violent cases, and especially the ones where individuals have tried to enter civil hospital and tried to vandalize, the action will be taken against those, and those guilty will be punished as per law for doing such acts of going into hospitals. This is something that is completely unacceptable, and the police has been asked to take action against those individuals who have done those kind of acts. And this information also was shared with all the political parties and all the MLAs of these areas. So that was the basic discussion. Of course, there were more details, but at large, these were the points of discussion that we had with them.